What's up guys, so JP here once again. So this time, we will do an honest review about this Bonita Himalayan pink salt sa lahat ng mga pink o bugan diha. So this is my review about this one. So we all know that this product is very famous in any social media platform kasi nga effective daw siya. Pumuti talaga yung kilikili nila, yung singit nila or any part of their bodies like sa mga waist nila na umiitim. So by just pahid-pahid lang daw, ayun. So yun nga, isa din ako sa nabudol ng mga yun. Kasi nga, yun nga, ito nga, napa-order ako ng isa. So actually this is just a trial lang. Trial lang naman to. Trial and error. Ayan kumbaga. So ayun nga. So this is my review about this product and I can say that isa ako sa nabudol ng mga advertisement na yon. Kasi nga I'm not sure if that is the right term for that, nabudol, kasi I believe that that this product or the effect of this product is subjective siya in a sense na effective sa inyo then hindi effective sa akin, or effective sa akin at hindi naman effective sa inyo. So let us say that this product is not for all skin type. So it just happens siguro na ang aking skin is very sensitive. Ayun, so very sensitive talaga siguro. Pero yun nga, I can say na may nag-effect talaga siya sa akin. So that's why I am doing this review. Kasi nga, yun nga, dahil gustuhan mo na mag-lighten yung kilikili. Pero yun nga, ang nangyari is hindi naman, iba yung nangyari. Hindi naman siya umitim, pero ang nangyari is nagkaroon siya ng mga redness, tsaka itchiness sa part ko dito. Kasi actually guys, this is an oil. So body oil siya. So pag ipapahid mo siya talaga siya sa kilikili, you can feel talaga the greasiness. Very talaga siya. Malaki talaga siya. Din mainit kasi since it's an oil. Ayun. So yun nga, nangyari is napansin ko parang mainit na yung part ko dito. Tinitinan ko siya sa salamin. Ayun nga. I found out na yun na namumula na pala yung part ko dito. Then dito na part. Mabuti lang yung kilikili ko is hindi. So I will show you the picture na lang para may idea kayo. Ayan. Can you see that? So, yan yung nangyayari sa aking kilikili. Ayan. So, to Bonita Himalayan pink salt. So, this is not to destroy your company, guys. So, this is just, please take this one as an honest, this is an honest review, or take this one as a constructive criticism. So, if you can do something about this product, if you can add some ingredients, or you can remove ingredients na possible na nagkaroon ng allergy yung mga user like me. So ayun nga, you can do that para lang ma-enhance pa ninyo yung mga ingredients nito para ma-applicable na siya so that this product will be applicable to all skin type. Ayan. So actually, I supposed to have an affiliation about this product sana kung naging effective lang talaga sana siya, but I am afraid kasi nga baka balikan ako ng mga client kasi sinungaling na ako kasi ganito, ba't ganyan ang effect. So yun nga, this is an honest review na lang para for them na makita din nila na there is a possible effect na mangyari so when they use this one. So this is not to scare them, but for them to be aware lang, kasi hindi naman kasi pwede na mga positive lang lahat yung nakikita natin, although may yung mga bad experience naman kagaya sa akin ngayon. I believe somewhere out there na may naka-experience din ng same experience like mine. So ayan, in behalf of them, so I am speaking up with you. Ayan. So ayan. So thank you so much but still thank you for the experience, Bonita, for now. So in-stop ko muna siya. So yun nga, please enhance this product na lang. Ayan, so to all user na effective para sa inyo, so good for you. Ayan. So yeah, this is for just for awareness lang naman. Ayan. Thank you so much guys. Feel free to follow me. Bye bye.